specific should they be? Because that was also a subject of a lot of interjections by the senators. The uh, the evidence, how successful was this covert operation? Do you want them to be really specific? Kasi yung pinresent po ni Auditor Wamil, parang very general yung description.
Yes. Okay. In the joint circular, hindi talaga nakaspecify kung ano yon, no? But there must be a causal relationship between, I think that this was in the context of the informers, reward informers, no? Ano yung rinirewardan mo? Ano yung, bakit mo rinirewardan yan? At ano ang napalaan natin sa information na yan, no? So that link must be established. So kung hindi naman mahirap naman yung sasabihin mo, ginamit namin yan for informers reward. Okay, so what did we reward them for? No? At sino-sino to? I understand, I don't know, I could be wrong, no? But it looks like there are about 600 plus recipients of informers reward, something like that, no? At sa akin, red flag na kagad yun eh.
Bakit po?
Kasi kung confidential information ang binibili mo, no? Ibig sabihin, konti lang nakakaalam yan. You have to pay or reward 600 people to be able to get information. Public knowledge na siguro yun sa dami na
Kumalat
nakakaalam.
na. Kumbaga.
Kalat yun. I mean, it's an information that you can probably gather from the streets. Not necessarily something, diba? So, yun. Pangalawa, kung informers reward, bakit paid in kind? Groceries, medicines, yun ang mga narinig ko kanina. Bakit
Red flag
ganun?
po rin yun?
Red flag yun. Medicines worth 70,000, yun ang reward ng whoever got it. Why? Diba? Kung ikaw ba mabibigyan ng reward, tatanggapin mo medicines worth 70, are you going to sell them in the black market or something? I mean, I'm just, says I don't know, okay?
Yeah.
I'm just,
Well, you have the experience. Ano pa bong red flag meron? Yung
bago
parang
ng mind eh.
Senator Pangilinan cited, walang butal. Hindi ba kung bibili ka ng gamot o grocery, hindi naman eksaktong 0-0. Red flag
Pero
din po ba yon, yung very exact yung amounts?
Sa akin, not necessarily. Kasi, pag may mga ganyan, rina-round up na yan. I mean, okay lang yun. That's something trivial, okay? Pwedeng mag-round.
Okay.
Pero ang red flag sa akin doon is, kung namigay ka ng gamot at saka mga groceries by way of a reward, no? Ibig sabihin, binili mo yon, pre-procure mo yon. So,
yes.
dapat meron ka receipt nun. No? Dapat may resibo ka nun. Pero parang wala, well, according to Auditor Wamel,
Yes.
wala silang mga sinubmit na mga resibo na, pero merong gamot at merong mga groceries. At ang meron lang daw yung acknowledgement receipt nung gap. Okay. So, akin mga red flags yon. And let me go a little farther. Pag sa audit, nakikita mo na yung mga gano'n na, teka, something does not compute here, no? As an auditor, you have all the right and in fact the duty to go deeper and investigate. Ano nangyayari dito? What's happening here? And you can ask for more documents maski hindi nakalagay sa joint circular. You can make inspections. You can call people, etc. There's so many ways of doing it. And people in ICFAO, the auditors in ICFAO, are not prevented from doing that, no? I don't know, during my time, I never told them to just limit themselves to the documents.